It's me, Nellie, for the Montana Science Center, and today we are going to make grape sorbet. The ingredients you will need are sugar and grapes. The materials you will need are a tablespoon, an ice cream scoop, a blender, a bowl, and a spoon. As always, make sure you wash your hands and the grapes. First, take the stems off your grapes. Put your grapes in the freezer until they're nice and frozen.
Hi, I'm Corbin, Nellie's little brother, and today we're going to be doing the science experiment, dancing grapes. You will need fruits, different kinds of fruits, especially grapes and raisins. Water, carbonated soda, and 2 jars. First, pour the water into one jar. Then pour the carbonated soda into the other. Now put your fruits in the jar. In the jars. I think strawberries will float. Now put your tomatoes in. Since the tomatoes sink in the water, let's try them in the soda. Now let's try the grapes.
What do you think's happening, Corbin?
They're just hitting the top and sinking.
Why, though?
Because they're going like boom.
Do you think that the carbon dioxide bubbles are making the grapes lighter?
Yes, but then most of the bubbles are hitting the top and going off and then popping, so they sink back down.
I think that's absolutely right. I think that in water, grapes are more dense, but water that has carbonation allows them to become less dense until they reach the top and the bubbles pop and they go back down.
Thanks for joining. Have fun.
I hope you liked our experiment while we waited for the grapes to freeze. Start by plugging in your blender. Then get your grapes. Put the lid on and blend. Scoop the edges down and then blend for about 1 more minute. When blended, put it back in your bowl and put it in the freezer. Once it's done, scoop and enjoy. Bye!